Hey, good day, folks. So today we are driving up towards Sedona. This is heading to northern Arizona. And we'll pass through the little town, the village of Oak Creek, which is on the way to Sedona. Actually, they consider themselves part of Sedona. But we'll drive up that way and see a few of the sights here in Sedona. So come on along. All right, stopped here in part of Sedona. This is on the outskirts of Sedona, downtown Sedona. So yeah, you can just see all the beautiful rocks here. That's lovely. Haven't been to this part of Arizona before, so making our way up towards the Grand Canyon. Boy, it is beautiful. And this area is called Red Rocks for obvious reasons. Beautiful little town. Alright, so here's the famous Red Rocks. It's a little rest area here. So I admire some of these beautiful rock formations. Beautiful. One of the cool little places here in Sedona. Just yeah, it's got a lot of little I don't know, souvenir type stuff. Check that out. If you're ever here looking for it, it's the place with the big chicken on the corner. Wow. Thought there was somebody standing there when I came in. It's kind of cool. Like I said, the little shop here, they've got all kinds of little bric-a-brac. You've got a nifty little koi pond here. Very relaxing. What's going on, guys? So pretty. For all the gemologists. That's pretty. Pretty. Frida Gallo. It's pretty. Wow, it's pretty. Macano. Oh, they've got the dogs, honey. These are the dogs. All right, you got the mirror room of mirrors. Nice. Well, that's it for this little video, folks. Hope you enjoyed the little time we spent here in Sedona passing through. I know we're going to have to make another trip back here because this place is beautiful. The rock formations are awesome. So with that said, hope you all enjoyed the video and be sure to like and subscribe if you did. Bye for now.